Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning a zikr that is very important at the time of worries, at the time of anxiety. So at the situation when we are very sad, so we have to read this zikr. Inshallah, we will find ourselves in the peaceful situation. So this zikr is لا إله إلا الله لا إله إلا الله لا إله إلا الله. So La ilaha illallah is the zikr. There is none worthy of worship but Allah. So this zikr is very important. All the prophets came to tell about it, and we are every time, if busy with this zikr, it will bring in our body the love of Allah and the emotions and trend of mind towards doing good things according to Sharia. And also it makes us more close to Allah, and because the whole Islam is in it. So this way we have to make ourselves busy with this zikr. So this is very important, not for us but for everyone who wants to connect with Allah. And if you are busy with this zikr, then shaitan and shaitanic generation will not be in a position to do anything bad with you, so you will be saved from it. And also you will be saved from the attacks of the enemies and the people who have jealousy, people who are having bad idea about you. So this zikr will be in a position to make you in the love of Allah and with protection of Allah. So the angels of protection are with you, and you will be saved every time, and you will be in a position to do good things, not bad things. And your trend and your motivation, your excitation will be to do good things, and you will automatically hate the bad things, because bad things are not to bring peace. This way this zikr will bring only peace and love, which is really need for us. And anything which is bad for us, that will not come to us if we are busy with this zikr. So this zikr is very important for us. So we have to try our best. Mostly we have many worries, anxiety and some other problems, and so many headache in the world. So if we want to make peaceful situation, then sit alone and start zikr. La ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah, la ilaha illALLAHO Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah gave us tawfiq to do it in order to bring peaceful situation in our body and heart, so that we should live this world with a peaceful manner and leave this world also in a peaceful way, and to get the place a peaceful in the paradise, inshallah.